This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday, December 15th. I'm James Spann. Rain moving into Alabama. A little ahead of schedule today. We'll have rain at times tonight. A more significant wet weather system is due at the end of the week and as the weekend begins. And what about Christmas week? A lot to talk about. Let's go in there and take a look at things. First off, some Skycam shots around the network. This is coming from Tuscaloosa. Little rain falling there. That's the Hugh Thomas Bridge connecting downtown Tuscaloosa and downtown Northport. To the north, that's our Fayette Skycam. Rain is falling there. They're sitting at 53, kind of a cool day. The rain started early enough to keep temperatures down. And rain also falling in Huntsville. That's a look at traffic along Memorial Parkway in the Rocket City up in the Tennessee Valley. Large upper low is north of Kansas City today, and that feature is producing the upward motion, clouds and rain. That was the radar at 2:14. Rain as far east as Huntsville, Aniana, Birmingham, Centerville, Brent, and Demopolis. Again, the rain ahead of schedule about by maybe 5 or 6 hours today. We'll see periods of rain through tonight. Temperatures all over the board. Down to the south, Montgomery, they've got 71. Walking around in shorts down there, but up in Haleyville, it's a cold, rainy 48. Birmingham at 61, Anniston 64. No rain for East Alabama as of this moment. They'll see some probably by the time you watch this. Check the watch warning map around the nation. Most of the issues involve snow from Nebraska into Minnesota. Other than that, things are fairly quiet. We do note the guys at SPC have thrown up a marginal severe weather risk for the southwest corner of Mississippi and parts of Louisiana. But for us, no severe weather and probably no thunder tonight. The air is relatively stable. This is the overall rain for the next 5 days, valid through Saturday evening, and this is suggesting rain amounts of about 1 inch for North Alabama. Heavier totals to the west, the bullseye near Shreveport, Louisiana, where they are expecting 3.1 inches in the next 5 days. All right, model fans, always fun to watch, especially at Christmas time. Let's take a look. The GFS, the Global Forecast System, this is valid tomorrow at 12 noon. The disturbance that brought the rain to the state today and tonight, that's moving northeast away from us. And down below that, the showers should be over by then. Have rain at times tonight. A good chance all the rain is over by 5, 6 o'clock in the morning. Start the day tomorrow in the upper 40s. And the sky becomes partly sunny. The high should be in the upper 50s or so. The GFS printing a high of 59. Wednesday should be a dry day. Pretty decent amount of sunshine. Temperatures exactly where they should be. 50s Wednesday morning, the high in the middle, or 30s, I should say. Wednesday morning, the high should be in the middle 50s. Thursday, we'll probably mention a small chance of a shower, but it's obviously not a big deal. Much of the state will be dry, but it looks like maybe a warm front type feature developing over the Tennessee Valley. The day should feature a high again in the middle 50s. And this is Friday. There's your shortwave coming through eastern Texas. Down below that, the GFS is suggesting rain will likely arrive during the day Friday. This run a little faster than recent runs. That's technically what you're looking at here is Friday evening at 6 o'clock, and that looks pretty wet. So we'll mention a good chance of rain beginning Friday afternoon. Rain continues Friday night. This is Saturday at noon off the new parallel GFS, and it has a 1,014 millibar low near Meridian, Mississippi, Demopolis, Alabama, with a lot of rain. So the rain will continue into at least part of the day Saturday. This looks a little slower than our forecast. We still will mention the core of the rain Friday afternoon, Friday night, ending at some point during the day Saturday. And obviously with a surface low in that position, no severe weather problems. And any wintry weather way up north, maybe some ice or snow issues near the Ohio River, but nothing down this way. Sunday, that feature is on by. The day should be dry. And again, no real cold air here. Highs in the 50s, lows around 40. Maybe some sun at times. All right, let's go in there and take a look at next week. This is Monday, December 22nd, Christmas week. We'll walk you through the whole week. You're traveling shortwave energy over far south Texas, producing a wave in the Gulf. And this run is keeping the rain south of Alabama. Even Mobile and Panama City would be dry if this is right. Tuesday the 23rd, that feature is on the Atlantic coast, surface low east of the Outer Banks of North Carolina. We're dry. Christmas Eve, again, we're dry if this is correct. Seasonal temperatures. You know, we showed you that look this morning that had, a snowstorm here. I told you it'd be gone, and it is. And Christmas Day, suggesting a surface low north of the state. That might bring some showers, maybe some thunder, that night. Of course, this is all voodoo. This is going to change again. I mean, there's no point in getting worked up over anything here. We're just looking for trends, and it looks like the southern branch will be active. But timing these things out, 10 days in advance, you just can't do that. We'll check the European solution. This is Christmas Eve. It's got a system on the way out, and Christmas Day looks dry across North Alabama. That's at 6 a.m. Christmas morning. All right, let's take a little farther look out here. What do you say? Let's take a look at the 27th. Saturday the 27th. Look at the heights coming down. Big troughing here and cold air moving in. No precipitation. That looks dry. And look at this one now. This is December 30th. How about a rain to snow event here? And again, no need to get worked up over this. This will change. And on Christmas Eve, big trough over the east, and that looks just cold with a big storm rolling up the eastern seaboard. I thought I'd check the ensemble just for the fun of it. This is Christmas Eve. That looks pretty cold for us, if this is right. This is the GFS ensemble, valid December 24th. And for New Year's Eve, it still looks pretty chilly, so temperatures clearly trending colder for the last week of December, although the European still has the Arctic Oscillation positive, the NAO positive, but the GFS not necessarily in good agreement with that. And that's the way it works with a pattern change. Things get kind of chaotic, but I think we are going to see a trend toward colder weather over the latter week of this month, probably right after Christmas. That's it for the Weather Extreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.